Oh, don't do it.
I swear I've just been teleported to Switzerland or Austria or somewhere like that where the hills are alive with the sound of music. Hello! During my time at Canberra, I've been attending Woden Valley Alliance Church, and this weekend is actually their church camp. So today I'm driving from Canberra to Jindabyne. It's only a bit over 2 hours, but I'm actually allowing about almost 6 hours so that I can make an adventure out of it. And so far I am about probably halfway there, a bit more. I'm at the Snowy Hydro Discovery Centre. So let's get out and have a look. Now, engineering and physics are really not my strong points at all, but I'll have a go at explaining the Snowy Mountains hydro scheme. From what I understand, it is a highly complex system that collects water from rivers and streams in the Snowy Mountains and uses it for electricity generation as well as irrigation in inland areas. The Snowy Mountains hydro scheme contains 9 power stations, 16 major dams, 80 kilometres of pipes and 145 kilometres of tunnels. It took 25 years and 100,000 people from over 30 different countries to build. Well, I've now arrived at Jindabyne. It's still about 2 hours till the church camp actually starts, but I'm going to check out the Visitor Information Centre. Well, I found a lookout to spend a bit of time at. It, I guess, will look a lot more impressive in winter when there's snow everywhere, but it's still pretty nice to look at now, I reckon. During the camp, I did spend a lot of time socialising with new friends. However, I tried to not video other people, especially their faces, in order to respect their privacy.
Who am I? I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand.
We've had 2 sessions this morning of worship and Bible talks, and some of us during free time are going to go for a hike.
You can do a really nice ride around the lake shores.
So apparently the reason why the lane markings have changed from white to yellow is for visibility in the snow, and the same with the tall red poles on the sides of the road too. I swear I've just been teleported to Switzerland or Austria or somewhere like that where the hills are alive with the sound of music.
Oh, don't do it.
This hike ended up being the toughest physical challenge that I have done yet. Less than a quarter of the way in, I was already seriously considering whether or not I would actually be able to complete the hike. However, I took some inspiration from my favourite travel vloggers, Cara and Nate Buchanan. If you haven't already, I would highly recommend checking out their channel. The final part of the walk was up a steep hill, and I ended up having to take a quick break after every 100 steps. However, I did complete the walk, and even though my legs took several days to recover afterwards, It was totally worth it. The view was like nothing else I had ever seen before.
Question 5 was C, blue.
That evening, the whole group of us played some Alice in Wonderland themed games, and I fulfilled my lifelong dream of dressing up as Alice in Wonderland.
But he made himself nothing, taking the very nature of a servant.
Prayers, and awe came upon every soul, and many wonders and signs were being done through the apostles. And all who...
On the final morning, we had a church service together. I then briefly checked out the outdoor chapel before driving home in the rain. Overall, it was a brilliant weekend.